Hey, how big's your foot long?
Excuse me?
How big's your foot long?
A foot long? 12 inches?
You have a 12-inch one? Holy crap, that's huge. I only have like 8 inches. I'm just kidding, I'm not even 8.
Okay.
Yeah.
Can I help you with something?
What? Do you want to get together later?
Oh my god.
They hung up.
Is that a guy? Steve-O?
Yeah, a guy came on.
Here, call this one.
Tony, your turn.
What's your foot? Oh my god. I'm gonna continue the video.
Same video?
Yeah.
Okay. Ooh. Probably should start 6-7 then.
763 754 2728.
Grand Rapids Subway, this is Rob. How may I help you?
Hi, I was wondering, how big is your foot long?
What?
How big is your foot long? Like, is it like really thick and everything?
Oh my. It's a regular footlong, sir. Is there something I can actually help you with?
How much mayo can you get with that? Like, without having to pay extra? Hello? Oh, come on, you didn't go along with it all, you asshole. I had some good stuff too. I was gonna talk about
Walmart.
I was gonna talk about like fitting it in my mouth and stuff.
What do you got asked What? Here, call this one. Park.
Yeah, well, we can talk to Wally World about.
Yeah. Ask them if they have any Q-tips.
Oh, wait, hold on.
Do you guys have any wood?
No, should I talk
Call
about
a
condoms?
lumberyard.
I'm gonna talk about condoms and ask which ones are the
Okay.
best. I'm gonna ask if they know that from personal experience.
Call a
Okay,
lumberyard
do
and
it.
ask them if they got any wood.
I like his idea. And then ask them if they do both of them.
And you gotta call like a lumberyard and ask if they got wood.
Wait, where did that one go? Right
You
here.
guys have
This one.
morning wood?
Star 6-7.
763.
Hardwood?
Oh, the morning wood.
You guys have hardwood?
8 4 2. Okay. Is this the same video?
Yeah.
Okay.
Now we're calling Walmart.
Eventually, one of these should be funny.
Maybe.
Thank you for calling Brooklyn Park Walmart. How may I help you?
Hi, I was wondering, what brands of condoms do you guys carry?
Pardon me?
What brands of condoms do you guys carry?
What size?
Yes, what size? I was wondering if you have a extra small.
I'll transfer you.
Transfer me to where? I have no idea what's going on. Brooklyn Center Police Department.
How can I help you?
Hi, I was wondering, what brands of condoms do Walmart carry?
What?
What
Are
what
you
br-
looking for?
I was wondering, because I need a extra small condom. I was wondering if Walmart carries those.
What if that was a serious question?
I have a tiny wiener.
Call him back and be like, one of your employees just hung up on me.
Do it. Call customer service. Dude, get the customer service number, Jesse. Go on the webpage and leave
Someone
them.
bought- they
Customer
have
service.
no
They
wood.
hung up.
Ask if they have hardwood. Alright.
Brooklyn Park Walmart. How can I help you?
Hi, do you guys have hardwood?
Pardon me?
Do you have hardwood?
No, we don't.
You don't?
No.
Oh, I do. Steve-O's turn.
No more Walmart. Do a different Walmart. No.
No, we need to think of a different store.
Dude, you should should seriously go on Walmart's page and leave them with.
We're gonna end this video for now.